Are you a crypto enthusiast like me and you are struggling in this bull run, wondering where the market is actually going or where the market would go? Well, the best way to find out is to listen to what the top dogs in this crypto space are saying. So I took time to research trades and information as well, vital points, or let me say signals from at least 8 top and most influential crypto dogs on the crypto Twitter space. And that is what I'm going to tell you guys. They actually gave a particular message, and trust me, these guys are the people that actually, like, their prediction have always been 100% right on time. If you come back to the last bull run, they actually let us know what to actually look out for. Now they're already doing the same thing. They're giving us that signal. And what are they saying? That is what I'm going to expose you to in this particular video. So if this sounds interesting, I want you to come closer and let's get right into it. Hello, konnichiwa, salve, bonjour, ni hao, namaste, and lastly, assalamu alaikum. Whatever part of the world you're listening to me or watching this video right now, I'm just trying to say hello to you in many possible languages as I can speak at the moment. And this is financial literacy right here. In this channel, we talk about effective, affordable, approachable, and as well legitimate means to make money online. This year's crypto space, like this year so far, this year 2024, has been so much rugged for all crypto guys. In fact, me at the moment, my heart is bleeding. I wouldn't lie about that, because January we had a major push, February we had a push, and since March, God, this bleeding has been too much, and there is a lot of mixed emotion, mixed reaction in the crypto space, and a lot of direction, and let me even say information that you can't even get to know what is actually happening. If you are actually holding any token at the moment, I don't know the token you're holding. If you are holding any token that is not almost down by 50% at this moment, please comment right now and let me know so I can get into that particular project. So a lot of us have lost money, or let me say our portfolio actually so down that plenty of people have lost interest. But I'll tell you, whenever, just the basic code of crypto, whenever people are buying, that is where you sell. Whenever people are selling, that's where you buy. But how do you know when to buy and how to sell? Apart from just that, how do you know when people are actually buying? Are you already thinking, or are you part of those who are saying that perhaps there is not going to be any bull run in this year 2024? Like perhaps we've only seen the pump we are going to see. That's another argument that is going on online. Or are you part of those that are saying that we are yet to even get into the bull run, that what we are experiencing at the moment are some post-halving effects on the crypto space? Another argument. Or are you part of those that say, all right, you know what, let's just shut everything down. I don't think anything is going to happen right now. So for the best way to actually position yourself for good wealth and not to miss out on the information, because my dear, I wouldn't lie to you, this is going to be crazy. Imagine you've been in this space, you've lost money, or you've actually bought some coins and your portfolio is actually sold down, and you've sold, and just a few months after the market gets rising. How would you feel? That would be crazy, right? So to avoid that, let's get real deep into this information. Let's hear what the top guys are saying, and let's use their knowledge to get way into our own wealth, right? Remember, this is just a basis. This is just a thesis. This is not a financial advice. I'm not giving you any financial advice. I will advise you do your own research, make your own conviction before taking use or making use of any information I'm going to share in this video. So let's get right into this business. All right. So the first crypto trader we're going to be considering in this particular video is GCR. And if you don't know who GCR is, guy, like is self-acclaimed, or let me say, is one of the best crypto trader in this space. Like, not just about trading, features about everything, but he's always been on almost an 100% market prediction trend. He was actually one of those that predicted gave the best prediction in the last bull run in the year 2020 and year 2020 and the like. So right now, he's also seeing something concerning this market. And let's hear what he has to say. So he said 2022 bet was in the middle of a bear market. Current structure reminds me of late summer 2020 after DeFi summer imploded, or even shades of summer 2021. But one shouldn't get too wedded to fractals, right? Each cycle will play out differently. We are still in a bull market. That is what we are holding on to right here. He said we are still in a bull market. So apparently what he's trying to say is he has analyzed the charts, the trends, and the charts of this current market and is likening it to that of 2022. Although he's giving a point to it that you should not expect it to play out letter for letter, word for word, the same sequence after the same sequence. Pay attention and understand that things will play out differently. And it's giving us a last note that we are still in a bull market. We are still in a bull market. Definitely that means you expect something, right? So the next person I'm going to be looking at is Miles Desha. Please permit me, I might not be able to pronounce all of these guys' name very well, but you understand, just have to manage that with me. So okay, so talking about Miles Desha, it says that compared to previous cycle, okay, just give me a moment. I have to work something out on my screen here. So he said compared to previous cycles, the hot coin will peak in October 2025. That's another prediction. The hot coins are going to peak at year 2020, October 2025. Remember, we are seeing 2024. And he said, but most likely the peak will be earlier this cycle, though not all altcoins will pop, but it is good to understand that BTC is still leading in this market. Now, according to Miles, his own prediction is the fact that the altcoins are going to get to their maximum peak, their all-time high, by October 2025. So if you are not in this market, especially in this time where the market is very down, I would say this is a very good time for you to get into this market, and you can still make your profit before then, according to his own prediction. And also, another twist to what he's saying is that the altcoin will peak. So definitely, nobody knows when it will start, but the peak is by then, considering previous charts, and this is it. He has analyzed some 72. Let's look at this. Network, work fast. I might just have to skip this. All right, so it's up. So he has evaluated 78 bars. This is 546 day volume. Total volume traded in this particular period is $2.7 trillion. This is Monday, June 16, 2017 to Monday, May 20th, in the year 2021. So let's look at this. Look at this trend, almost like a shoulder. This place is acting where? To the support of the trend of 2021 to April 2024. So definitely the last all-time high is what is the support of this time, and nobody knows. So definitely we might get here, and the last support, the support of this current year might be the resistance of this year might be the support of this year. So definitely we are expected to see something like this, which means price should come around here, right? So I wouldn't be doing so much technical analysis in this video, so because that's not what I plan to do. So I wouldn't be analyzing anybody. I'm just going to give an insight on what they've said or what they've said so far, right? So next person we are going to be looking at is hedging. So now let's look at hedging. He said it is natural to flinch if someone is about to punch you, but you have to unlearn this behavior in boxing to defend better. And look at him. He gave us a video picture or illustration of what he's saying, that it's natural for you to flinch, like you close your eye, you do something, but it's okay. And it's very important we learn from boxers in this space. Now, let's look at what he's saying. He said, this is something similar in crypto. When it is bearish, it is natural to want to zone out. You have to unlearn this. Bearish climate means what? Opportunity. So what Edgy is telling us at this moment is the fact that this time that the market is so down is the time you should buy more. Like, to me, I feel like the market is giving us an opportunity to buy a 50% lesser if you didn't buy in the bear markets that happened before. So, same thing as Edgy is saying, that's my conviction. Speaking at the moment, I have a lot of coins that are actually dipping. Like, whenever I wake up to check my portfolio, I feel bad, but telling you, any little money I have, I'm still buying some more hot coins, because that is the main goal, to make more and more and more money, right? So let's look at this. Let's look at Johnny, the fourth person. It's not the fourth. I'm not counting so well. We are going to be looking at is Johnny. That is Crypto God John. He said a lot of pain and down only for hot coins, with many people capitulating. I wouldn't be surprised to see many of them rip 50 to 100% off their lows here, especially if Ethereum catches a strong bid the tide is slowly shifting. These are still not all financial advice, but I believe you are getting the message. This is 1, 2, 3. This is the third person. This is the fourth person we are analyzing in this particular video. And they are almost all giving us the same message, right? You understand what I'm saying? I wouldn't say what that. You get it? If you don't get it, forget about it. So the next person I'm going to look at also is Elliott Trades. Elliott Trades said that thesis is his own, according to his own postulation or his own hypothesis, is saying that thesis is the bottom. Is saying that the bottom is forming here, and whatever survives will eventually thrive. If your coin, let me highlight this for you, and this is actually a great point. He said, if your coin has held gains against BTC since October last year, chances are this is part of the survive category. So let's look at it. October last year was when the last bull run, and the last bear market actually ended, right? When we started seeing some pump actions in this market. I remember Solana before November last year was lesser than $30 or so. What is the current price of Solana? The lowest it has done so far is 120 or 100 and something dollars, right? It has skyrocketed from that, lower than $30 or $20 price now to 100 and something. And since then, it hasn't gone back to its previous price. So according to Elliott Trades prediction here, I'll go with him saying that if your coin has actually maintained its gain against BTC since then, please be sure. And I'm super bullish on Solana. Anyone that knows me knows that I'm super bullish on Solana. I will be saying something about super bullish on Solana. I believe Solana is going to do at least $300 in this next cycle, right? So please go and try to look at your portfolio. Take note of all of these things these guys are saying. Try to take out your tokens. Are they actually dipping or are they rising? Check out their performance. Since then, it's not like anyone that underperforms is not going to do well in the bull run, but it's saying that they are what chances. So let's go to the next person, which is Kyle Chase. So Kyle Chase says, when people are disinterested and saying that the bull market is over, that is exactly the best buying opportunity here. Now one of the reasons I'm so enthusiastic about and following everything these guys are saying is because we are in a bearish market. And this is also an opportunity to buy these coins again. So instead of trading these coins, why don't you buy them to hold as an investment trader? The next person, and which is that going to be the last? Yes, the next person, which is last, we are going to look at is Capo of Crypto, which says altcoins keep bleeding, but very negative sentiment. That is what we're having in the market. BTC and Ethereum remain strong, which means that definitely we are not in a bearish market like that. It is just a retracement that is happening. So Ethereum ETF approval and trading starts, and approval and trading starts should happen in the next few weeks. And remember, if you are following the Ethereum ETF, that is the exchange traded funds. If you don't know the meaning of exchange traded funds, you might have to check out this video right here where I explain the meaning of exchange traded funds and how it impacts the crypto market. I've recorded this video as far back as around November last year for you to know that I'm also timely on my prediction. So said, I can't be bearish here, buying more altcoins at a discount. And guys, that is just the main idea and the main purpose of me shooting this video, to let you know that this is an opportunity for you to buy most and all of this altcoin at a great discount price. And this is no fugazi. I'm not kidding you guys here. This is an opportunity anyone, everyone, and everybody in this space should take and make use of. They are getting an opportunity to buy these coins at a discount price. Imagine buying Solana now and it gets to 300, making a profit, right? Imagine buying Bitcoin now if you don't have the money, but assume you have the money and it goes to $150,000. 100% profit. 100% profit. 100% profit. And that is what is actually happening. That is the opportunity the market is giving to you. So perhaps you've lost your money while trading on futures and the likes, and you're looking for ways to raise capital. Free ways to make capital or to raise capital to buy all of these tokens. within the next few weeks. Let me know in the comment section, and it is your comments that will let me know if I'm actually going to show this video or not actually going to record this video. I will be willing to show you guys how I actually raise funds, how I actually raise capital. I've showed guys, like, I've done this in my community earlier this year. I showed my people how to raise at least $1,000, and none of them can tell me they are not at least halfway to it. And I've guided them on how to use the money they've made from this place. So guys, that is what I'm going to, and that is all I want to tell you in this video. Take note of this opportunity, make use of this information, and remember, this is not a financial advice. Always do your research. And before you go, remember, please subscribe, like this video, and let YouTube know you are getting real content from this channel, so you can as well get to recommend it for other people. Imagine now, please just try to encourage me. You understand? So next I come, you will stay cool and play big.